Hi guys, this is the makeup tutorial for today, and it's actually a collaboration with my boo here on YouTube, Samore Love TV or Samore TV. She has so much YouTube channels. So Samore, honey, you know I got you, boo. You know I got you. So we're doing a Valentine's Day collaboration. I hope I get this video up in time, based on the time I'm recording this video. What I didn't say in the video is what I have on my lips. What I'm wearing on my lips is Max Creme de Nude, Puff Piece Nude, like thicky lip gloss, and LA Girls lip liner, and it's called a chestnut. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips. And yeah, so thank you so much, honey, for doing this collaboration with me. You know I love you. I admire her. Let me tell you what I admire Samore mostly for. It's for her tech. Like, homegirl got some tech. She have a lighting, she got the camera, she got the lens, she has just the quality of her video. It always astounds me. I'm like, yes, boo, work, guys. Yeah, so that's basically it for this. Is the intro. Throughout the video though, I'll be talking and playing music at different steps, because I feel awkward when like Jonathan is in the background, and I don't want to come off as this mother who doesn't care about her child, because if I'm on Snapchat, you know that's not the truth. But you know, it may turn some people off, and I have been deleting comments about your son, quiet him down, oh my god, it's your bad mom, why don't you look about your son? And I was like, I'm not here for it. So yeah, so that's basically it for this intro. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.
God bless you, boy, the angel representing Israel. Promise to Christ, all is well. Hear me now, hey. Father, try nigh to we. God, them just a die to we. After them get them vote, them a pass and not even say aye to we. Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Portia last. After me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class.
Hi guys, so for my brows I used my, what's it called, I think it's Anchor, I think pencil to my brows, and I cleaned up using my Ruby Kisses level 11, excuse me, and this essence, it's called Forget It Cover Stick Pencil. So it looks like this, and I put it underneath it, and Ruby Kisses went everywhere, and the essence pencil went just underneath the arch. I'm sorry this light here is just glaring. I should probably drop the curtain. So now I'm going to apply my black opal carob, and I'm going to highlight with Fawn as well as Warm Honey. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Jesus, me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote I can. No blood upon them shoulder, them and steel. When them see the violence can't contain. You a first class, them gone pan plane, and left we fi suffer in a shackles and chain. You a million, them a spend pan them campaign. Then them the panel top a sip champagne. All the food on the dirt, and we feel hurt like a pregnant woman pain. Hey yo, we don't go follow them and make no wrong turn, cause them no care but we are concerned. So you fi stand firm in a Jesus, see me be the light to your feet like a lantern. Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Portia last. After me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So Jesus, me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote again. This is a public announcement, please arise. We fig one like we advise. Cause sin is a reproach unto any people, so you know certain things can legalize. No sell out your soul for peace and rise. You never hear oh Jesus nice. Me want you hear, want me a fish here. Nobody want like you the in a night. So you choose for the start where you can't take the ear pressure. No make them influence you with no peer pressure. Because them don't sit down and I do nothing like them. They a barber hairdresser. Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Portia last. So after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So what Jesus, me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote again. I lie to it, because them a lie to it. After them get them vote, them a pass and not even say I to it. Father try not to them vote, them a pass and a team say I to we. Hey yo, after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. Me know say you know me alone a ask. Wonder if Andrew and Portia last. So after me no blind, me no own a glass. Them no check for the poorer class. So what Jesus, me a vote for the next election. Anytime I vote a gas. Me no blind, me no own a glass. Me don't know about DJ. Representing chosen cause Israel, they don't know the thing well. You know, own a glass.
Alright, so to set my highlight, I'm going to go in with Ben Nye's banana powder. Then I'm going to be going with Shades by Gal Deep/Dark Big Hydrating Powder Foundation. And for all of the face, I'm going to be going in with Earth 2, my Earth 2 foundation by Iman Cosmetics. So yeah, so these two to set the highlight, as in the areas are highlighted. Oops, sorry, areas that are highlighted. And I'm going to be using the Earth to set everywhere else where my foundation is.
Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land, no host, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I about the kings of here. You a brag and a boast. Go to a woman and know I've only the most. Weekend pan the North Coast when they take most of them. Never have a Bible in a demo. And I'm here. High status them a post and a pose with big like them they in a the force. But that can't save you. Not even close. Hunger thing matter the Holy Ghost. That's why me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I bought the kings of kings. Because you have a scoop on your face. People say you run the place. And you have a gun on your waist. No feel you bigger than God's amazing grace. No hype, cause that you like the place. Remember say you just time you are waste. Never know say you be humble yourself. Cause he that exalt himself shall be a that's why me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I about the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I about the kings of. That's why me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me now show off if me a ball.
So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be going with Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I'm going to be going with Cocoa Bear first, that brown, and then I'm going to be going in with Bitten. So, oh, this is the color, Cocoa Bear and Bitten. So then I'm going to be taking my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette, and I'm going in first with Foxy, and I'm putting that on my brow bone. And then I'm going in back with Shades by Gal Very Deep Hydrating Baked Powder, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone as well to tone down Foxy. But you see how harshly white it is? Then I'm going in back with the same brush that I used, and I'm just with that used Bitten and Cocoa Bear, and I'm just going to lightly just dust it further up so more of the color goes right under my brow bone. Then I'm going to blend out again with the same brush that I used to apply the Big Hydrating and Foxy. So from my what's this called, Naked 2 palette, first I'm going to be applying Urban Decay's Sin pencil, applying it all over my lid, and then I'm going to be blending it out. And after I'm done blending it out, then I'm going to be going in with Chopper, I believe. Chopper? No, I don't want to be going with Chopper. I'm going to be going in with Half Baked. Alright, so that's that. I don't want to blend it out too much because I actually like the chunks that it's giving me. Probably add some texture to my eyes and make it look a little bit glittery. Kind of chunky. So, going in with Half Baked. Then I'm going to be going with my brown pencil that I used in my eyeliner. And I'm just going to draw a line to do a half cut crease. I'm drawing a line on the outside, a little bit above my crease, to do a half cut crease. So before I blend that out, because I'm going to use the same brush to blend it out, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to be taking Chopper from the Naked to top off, and I'm going to put it right in the middle here. Not in the middle, right in my happy area, I like to call it. Clean this brush off a little bit, and I'm going to go right at the edge of the brown eyeliner pencil and blend that out. Then I'm going to be going back in with, I think this is Bitten, hold on. Yep, going in back with Bitten and apply on the outside. Then I'm going to take black out using the same brush and apply it on the outside. Then I'm going to blend it back out everything with the same fluffy angle brush. I'm using the tip of the brush just to blend everything. I'm going back in with black out. That's the black in the palette. I'm going a little bit over. Okay, hopefully this works. This is actually a lip liner by LA Colors, and it's in the color Smooth Plum. So I'm just cleaning off this brush a little bit. It's the same brush we did the eyeshadow. I'm going in with this brush, and I'm going in with Bitten, Makeup Geek Bitten, and I'm going to put that right over Smooth Plum. Then I'm taking Black Out from the Naked palette. So I'm going to take my Iman Afterglow, and I'm going to take the gold. I'm going to get that wet with some Fix Plus or no. I'm going to get it wet with Urban Decay's Be Slick Satin Spray. Not sure if it's gonna work. What's going on? Alright, so for my blush, I'm going to be using Black Opal's Hibiscus, this color right here, and I'm also going to be using my Iman Afterglow, and I'll probably show you in the video. Not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I know I'll be going up with these two, and I may be using this one up here, the burgundy one, that reddish brick red color. I may be using that to bronze. Look at how black my hand is in comparison to the rest of my body. Are you seeing that? It's so dark. Alright, so Lego. Alright guys, so for my lashes, I'll be using our Popular Kid lashes, and yes, we'll be having them in stock, but they won't be sold on our website PomByLyric.com. They'll be available solely at Fontana Pharmacy. Reason being, I want to introduce some silk lashes to our lash line for Pom by Lyric. So I'll be buying these synthetic lashes. So we'll be getting these synthetic lashes. So Fontana Pharmacy will be carrying the synthetic lashes, and our site PomByLyric.com will be carrying other material, if that makes sense, lashes. So we'll be carrying the silk, we'll be carrying mink lashes, the Siberian lashes, fox fur lashes, so on and so forth. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for staying through to the end of the video. Please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe, as well as just a reminder that we're on our road to 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube for 2016. We are currently at 147,000 now. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Please share this video with everybody on your social media, on your Facebook, on wherever. And yeah, if you do recreate this look, please tag me. Use the hashtag LyricRochester, and I'll see it on Instagram. Yeah, and of course you can just don't show me Snapchat, because Snapchat can be overwhelming at times. So yeah, just use the hashtag LyricRochester if you want to see your look on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.